Would you like some cracker? Would you like some cracker? She doesn't want one. Are you a he or a she? Or an it? Maybe an it. Ah! Nabasa ako. Hello! So, we are going to Nara, yung lugar na kung saan yung mga nakikita yung mga deers na nagbabaw. Hindi siya originally part ng plan, but my wife wanted to ride this. It's a sightseeing train and I don't know, hindi ko nga alam kung ano i-expect, but very excited to ride it. It's reserved seating, so okay lang na nakatayo ko dito and waiting. Anyway, I'll see you inside. And ang plano naman originally was to buy a bento box, pero wala kaming nahanap na bento box. Family Mart to the rescue. Ito yung sinasabi kong favorite ko na onigiri, roast pork mayo, and alam mong fresh kasi may expire na siya today. It's either kainin ko today o wala na to bukas. Antayin na lang namin tatakbo yung train by 1 PM oras ba? 19 minutes na lang, and let's see kung ano yung tsura sa labas. Sa ganong higiri. Sabi ko kailangan tapusin within 30 minutes. 2 minutes pa lang. Paubos na. So if you're traveling and then marami kang dalang bag usually, and then gusto mong iwanan lang, meron siyang mga ganito. Mga lockers along sa station na pwede mong iwan ang mga locker mo. 1,000 yen yung pinakamalaki, and then merong 900 yen ata yung maliit-liit. Meron din smaller version nasa loob, but kung gusto mo naman yung mga maleta talaga, ito na. So, now na naiwan na namin ang gamit namin, let's go to Nara. Hello guys, welcome to Baguio City. para nasa Baguio lang. May festival sila doon, no? So, naghanap tayo ng deer. I don't think may deer dyan. Kaya, onwards and upwards. Okay. So kailangan mong bumili ng ipapakain sa mga deers. Hello, buy one. Arigatou gozaimasu. Let's see. So is this cracker? This cracker, papakain mo sa mga deer. Hanap muna kami ng deer. I wonder kung pwede sa tao kasi rice cracker lang, di ba? Shikasen. I don't know, baka pwede sa tao. Still continuing the quest, looking for the elusive deers. Ay, daming lakad ito. So, toro na yung mga random deers na oh. Nita eh. May mga deers na. Okay, my instructions. Okay, the deers will bite, attack. Dahan-dahan lang tayo sa mga deers. Ayaw nating masungag. Yung asawa ko is medyo takot sa deer kasi galing na siya dito. Parang may history sila ng deer. Ng deers, hindi sila friends. Ala. Oh. Would you like some cracker? Would you like some cracker? She doesn't want one. Are you a he or a she? Or an it? Maybe an it. Nabasa ako. Hello dear. Takot siya sa aso. Takot yung deer sa aso. Hello Mr. Deer. You want some crackers? Hello. Finally. Ay! Sinungag po ako ng isang deer. Okay. Nasungag. I was horned by the deer. I'm bringing the entire bunch. Let's feed that now. Until sa humindi na siya sa crackers. Extra deer. Ito pa, ito pa. Oh, close na tayo. Ayun ko sumaga. I'm gonna give you a big one. Dude, you're wasting food. Crossing the street randomly. May trabaho ka? Punta ka opisina? Oh, nice! Look at that. Oh, look at that. And of course, andyan siya sa baba. Chill lang. Siya talaga yung ano, guardian dito eh. Okay, so that is the Todaiji temple. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it correctly. But my brother asked me to come here because isa yan sa mga wonders sa Age of Empire. One of the games we used to play when we were younger. And sa game is you have to either build that way, wait some time and then win the game, or if your enemy has already built this, destroy it to stop that time. So amazing lang na nakapunta na ako dito sa dating nilalaro ko lang. Now, mahaba kasi ang pila, so hindi na ako papasok talaga mismo dyan. Dito lang ako. Dito ako sa gate. But I'm very happy to be here, honestly. Todaiji temple. I think we're almost done. Babalik na kami. Time check. It's 2:40 Japan time, and I think kailangan namin bumalik. Kailangan natin dumating sa Osaka by 4 p.m. Getting back there now. Thank you, Nara. It's been fun. Going to Osaka na. Social naman ang train na to. May paganito pa. And then, control yung may ganyan. After 40 minutes and several minutes of walking, we're finally in Osaka. Rest muna kami, Brad. See you tomorrow.